Hello beautiful people and happy holidays. Thank you for stopping by my channel, CrystalMichelle, and today I'm here to pretty much share with you guys some new looks that I've been trying out that I'm really excited to share with you for the holiday season. But before we jump into that, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop on when I'm uploading on my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, SimplyCrystalMichelle. Here it is right here at, let's go ahead and pause, follow me. Okay, I post a lot more on my Instagram since YouTube's being really sus lately, but I'm really excited to just come on here and share with you guys some fun, cool things that I've been trying out. And also I want you guys to stay in the loop because, you know, 2020 is almost here, then it's the countdown to the wedding. So I want to share with you guys all the different things from makeup to skin to hair care that I'm doing when it pertains to, you know, prepping for the big day. But today I'm excited to share with you guys some new eyeglasses. So what I love about eyeglasses is that it could really enhance and change up your looks. Since I've been trying out these glasses, I won't lie, I've gotten compliments like, wow, you look really intelligent, you look older. And I'm going to pretend like those are compliments because then what do I look like when I don't have glasses on? But what I do like about these, if you're like me, I currently don't need any prescription for my eyes right now. I have like a slight stigmatism, so I love these glasses because they just allow me to just change up my looks, match my outfits, go super glam or just really casual. Or if you're someone who's in the business of looking for prescription eyeglasses, you can check out this brand called Voogueme. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's V-O-O-G-U-E, me. So I'm gonna go Voogueme. I'm going to go ahead and link their information right here as well as in the description box. But let's go ahead and look at these different looks. So let me know thumbs up or thumbs down for the different glasses I'm going to be trying on. So the first thing I want to show you guys is that I also got an accessory from them, and I just love their packaging and how it looks. Right here it says Voogueme. And then inside was this beautiful eyeglass case that I really like. Look at this color. Also, as you can see, like I just love like coral, rose gold, peachy tones. Like that's my thing. I'm here for it, as you can tell from my backdrop. And I love this because now in the summertime or all year long, I can throw in whatever eyeglasses I'm rocking in here, and it's protected in my bag that is like a pit of where I throw every single thing that I need that's important to me. That's another video. So the first glasses I'm going to try on is these beautiful ones with a gold frame around it, and I'm going to also link the number code for them, so just in case you want to look it up if you're interested in this style, you can. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. Ooh, honey, where are we going this evening? What are we doing? Is Bae taking me out? I'm just curious. I love these. It's very different. It's not a usual style I would pick out. I do love the gold because it's neutral, and so like besides from this backdrop, which may be throwing things off right now, this totally can go like with this outfit that I have on. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, on to the next pair. So the next ones that I'm going to try on, I see I really look weird without glasses now, and I'm like squinting as if I use them to see. And they can be prescription, they can just be regular casual eyeglasses. They also have sunglasses on their site. There's a lot you need to check out. There's a variety of things. These are my favorite. I love them and I didn't think I would, but I've really been feeling these. Let me know what you guys think of these. I think the frames like fit my face. I'm sorry about the glare when it comes to like my light right here, but I think the frames fit my face. I love this color. Anything that just has like pinky hues in it and brown and red tones, I'm just here for. I just love that like you're not missing my eyes right now when you look at me. So thumbs up or down, guys. Do we like this style? Let me know what you think in the description box below. Let me know what's your favorite look. On to style 3. Also, what I love about this packaging is that it's going to already come in these cute set eyeglass containers, which is great. So that way, you know, you're not getting your glasses and they're getting broken or anything like that. It's protected, and it also comes wrapped in the cloth, which is also great, so you don't have to wipe it on your shirts to clean it. So I really love that. Even the inside, like how it's insulated in here. They really did a lot of detail in their packing, and I can't beat the prices. They're pretty affordable too, and I'll link the prices also in the video. So these were really different out the box for me. I love that, you know, I told you I love the pink color. I love the side of the frames. This is a different style right here going around. Not something I would usually go for, but I'm not gonna lie. Tried it on yesterday, wasn't that crazy about it, but I think it just all depends on the outfit. It just all depends on like how you put it together. Okay, next. Ooh, we're going a little bit out the box now. I think this one complements my makeup look the best right now. You can't go wrong with a cat eye. It's actually not black. It's a really like dark chocolatey brown, which I love. And I just think, you know, I mean, come on, with the red lip, like, how can we go wrong? How can we go wrong? Ooh. This is different for me. Like I said before, I'm more of a thinner frame kind of person. And like you try on glasses, each shape and style is different that fits your face. But I want to give you, my viewers, a variety of different looks. So let me know what you think. Now we are up to style 5. And I'm going to go ahead and show you style 5. I actually really like these. These were out the box for me. It's a beautiful emerald green color, which is not a color I would usually choose, but because it's like, you know, Christmas, the snow's coming down. That's all the singing you're gonna get because the notes don't sound better after that. But I was like, ooh, you know, it's holiday time, it's Christmas time, green, red, and I just think this color looked great on my complexion. The style is pretty cool. I wasn't that crazy about the little stars in the corner, but I was like, oh, let me give it a try. Love the frame on the side, like how they designed it. So let's see. Yeah, I think that's cool. It's just different. Like, the shape may not normally be this shape that I would go for my face, but I really do love this color. Let me see if you guys can see it. Actually, let's zoom in on this one. Ooh, do you see that color? Thumbs up or thumbs down for look number 5. I really do like this color. It's growing on me. I just love, right? With the red lip. Okay, I'm so silly today. I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I would probably not wear sparkly blue glasses, but they threw this in extra. This is style number 6. I got to pick 5 glasses and they threw this in extra, and it's just different. So I'm trying it on for someone who maybe really does love pops of colors. I'm definitely more earth tone, super like neutral, but I do like the shape of these glasses. And I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look bad on me, but I just don't picture myself going to work with these on. Maybe like a fun night on the town, something like that. Thumbs up or down. Let me know in the comment section. Are you more of like neutral tones with your glasses, or do you like a pop of color? No, for real, comment down below and let me know what's really your style, what's your vibe, what's your look. But I mean, the more I wear these, the more I just think I look cool with glasses on, guys. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, so that is my try on haul from this company, Voogueme.com, V-O-O-G-U-E me.com. They are a fast growing online eyeglasses mall in the US, and they pretty much focus on prescription eyeglasses, sunglasses, cat eyeglasses, party theme eyeglasses, you name it. There is like a whole variety of different styles and looks and shapes, so like, and the price is like really affordable. So let me know down below, what is your favorite style, and also, are you more of a neutral person, or do you like a pop of color? Anyway guys, as always, thanks for stopping by my channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye!